Do you own a startup? Are you feeling overwhelmed with all the technology choices out there? You're not alone. Many startups make these same mistakes when it comes to technology. But don't worry, we're here to help. We've put together a list of the 5 most common technology mistakes made by startups, and we've included tips on how to avoid them. So watch on and learn from the best. First, choosing equipment purely based on cost. Many startups make the mistake of choosing their equipment based solely on cost. While it's important to be cost-conscious, you also need to make sure that the equipment you select is fit for your specific business needs. Not all businesses have the same requirements, so it's important to do your research and select the best possible option for your company. By taking the time to do this, you can avoid making common mistakes that many startups make when choosing their equipment. Second, assuming data loss won't happen to them. Many startups make the mistake of assuming that data loss won't happen to them. However, data loss is a very real possibility for any business, no matter how small or large. The best way to avoid data loss is to have a robust backup and disaster recovery plan in place. This way, if something does happen, you'll be able to quickly and easily get your business back up and running. Third, using friends and family for technical tasks. When you're starting a new business, it can be tempting to use your friends and family for all of your technical tasks. After all, they're the people you know best and you trust most. However, you need to be careful when asking friends and family for help. If you do ask your friends and family for help, make sure you compensate them for their time and effort. Be sure to express your gratitude to your friends and family for their help, even if it's just a simple thank you email or text message. Fourth, allowing unrestricted BYOD, bring your own device. Not having a clear and concise policy in place can lead to confusion and frustration among employees and can ultimately result in decreased productivity. Make sure you have a well-defined policy that everyone understands before implementing this type of policy. And last, falling for sales pitches. They get so caught up in the excitement of closing a deal that they forget to do their due diligence. This can lead to them overpaying for products or services, or even getting scammed. To avoid falling for a sales pitch, always take the time to research the company and the product or service before making any decisions. Also, be sure to get everything in writing so you have a record of what was promised. And finally, don't be afraid to walk away if something doesn't feel right. There are plenty of other fish in the sea. Making mistakes is part of the process, but learning from them is what makes you successful. By avoiding these 5 technology mistakes, your startup will be on its way to improving performance and seeing better results. Like, share, and subscribe for more startup tips and advice. MVP.dev, where your app ideas come to life.